Dog albums are one of my most popular albums to make, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough and show you this mini album I made using my favorite dog collection bark from Echo Park. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of this album. This is a 7x7 mini album. It has a 2-inch spine and it's got 4 pages plus a couple of half pages, so you can get some great size photos in here. The cover is simple. It's just got the doghouse with the dog. It says man's best friend. There is just stripes on the bottom and the dog print here. Now, you could, if you wanted to, print out your dog's name and put it on the cover. I'm just saying, something you could do. But inside, I've got this spot to put some good size photos on and maybe journal. You could write your dog's name there if you wanted to, or here. In the back, there's room to add more photos too. You could do a portrait style or not a photo on there. As a matter of fact, I've already done this album and I've already done a video showing how you can get some photos on here. So I will link that video in the description to show you how to get photos, and you can take a peek at my best doggy friends. So there's room here to put one super duper photo on, but this is a hidden pocket page mini album, so I do have hidden pages inside here, and that gives you room to put a good size photo on as well. So there is that. Here's room to put a photo, like a 3.5 by 3.5 or 4 by 4 photo. These are open, so you can tuck it into there. That's open too. Love this doghouse cut apart. I made that into sort of a half page, and here is a photo mat that you could put a photo on. And then here's the other side of that. There is Furry Friend. That looks like my friend Eris the dog. And room here to put a photo and journal. How do you journal on a dark color background? You get a white gel pen or silver. So a couple of rooms here, a couple of photo mats here with room to put photos and or journal. And here is our pocket page inside the page. I loved all of the orange in this collection. I mean, I'm not a fan of orange, but I thought this was really pretty. So this comes out so you could put a photo either way, and there's room there. That was a great cut apart with the collection. I have another square photo mat here. I've got a couple of stickers on there. If you put a small photo, you'll see the stickers, and you can journal around it or just cover it up. It's not the worst thing in the world if you cover those up. There is our hidden pocket page, hidden inside that inside the page. Oh, this goes like this. So there's room to put a photo there. You are a lucky dog. There are some stickers. There is a cute little sticker here. It's open so you can still add your photo. And then the bone. I talk about in the video what to do with the bone as far as adding photos. Or you could journal on there. That is an adorable, adorable puppy. I mean, don't you love the graphics on this? I just think it's so cute. So there is that, and then there is a hidden pocket page to put more photos. And here I actually took some smaller photo mats so you could put your photos there. And I did something a little different in this. I tacked the twine onto the bottom page and have the circle closure there, but that'll open up like that. You could put photos on there if you wanted to, absolutely. Bark means I love you in puppy. Add a puppy picture there, or just leave it alone. So that is where you put all of the photos that didn't fit anywhere else in the mini album, although there's a lot of room, so I can't imagine you would still have photos left over. But if you have dogs and they're cute, you might have a lot of photos. There's the back, there's our spine, and there we are back at the front. So that is what I wanted to show you today. Go check out the other video so you can see how to add photos to a dog mini album. I do have this listed in my Etsy shop, so if you're interested in that, I'll put the link of that in the description as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.